All right, everybody. This is excuse me. This is a 2013 Museum collection box. Purchase at Blowout Cards at www.blowoutcards.com. This is for Mrs. Parky755. So let's see if we can get you here. All right. These never want to come out, man. There we go. Yeah, that's funny. This one feels pretty light. Of course, sometimes the auto packs are light ones. Sometimes it means it's a redemption. Sometimes it just means it's an auto. All right, let me clean these boxes off here. All right, guys. Wow. All right, let's see if that luck holds. Got a Ken Griffey Jr. An old Griffey to 424. Pablo Sandoval, Manny Machado rookie. Billy Butler, and Colby Rasmus, 30 of 75. This one should be an auto. Let's see what you got here. Jose Bautista to 199. Joey Bats. Ricky Henderson. Paul Molitor. Aroldis Chapman. And holy shit. Well, you can tell Mrs. Parky that she is awesome. What? She just pulled the Jared Weaver 7 of 10 momentous material patch card. The 7 of 10 Jared Weaver. Nice. That's pretty nice right there. All right. Miguel Cabrera, Strasburg, Jake Peavy, Ted Williams, and Drew Storen to 399. Drew Storen doesn't have an auto. He's got a hieroglyphic to 399. All right. And then this should be a jumbo relic in here. Matt Kemp, Yadier Molina, Stan Musial, Justin Upton, and not bad, R.A. Dickey to 35. Cy Young Award winner. Won the game tonight. Anyway, 10 of 35. So those are all cool and whatever. But that is awesome. Check out that patch. 7 of 10, Jared Weaver.